We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. We've got a 2018 Ram 4500 Crew Cab. Stock number is 28488T. This is a Crew Cab chassis that we ended up putting a 11-foot service body on it. This is a tradesman model, but we have put the chrome package on it to give the chrome grille and your chrome bumper. Just to have the steel wheels on it. It is equipped with the Cummins turbo diesel. It is a Ram 4500 Crew Cab. Trailer tow mirrors on it. These do flip up to give you more visibility while you're towing something. This is in brilliant black. Like I said, we put an 11-foot service body on this. And we'll get to the service body here in a second. Looking on the inside, I've got it equipped with the vinyl seats, vinyl flooring, automatic transmission. It is a four-wheel drive with an electronic four-wheel drive system. I've got some auxiliary switches in here if you want to add things to it. We also have the trailer brake control. Power windows and locks, tilt steering and cruise control. Got the vinyl seats all the way around, storage underneath the seats. Step up inside and we can get a good look at the front area. You've got a split 40-20-40 bench seat, so you could conceivably put 6 people in this truck to go out on a job. The electronic four-wheel drive system, cruise control. Very nice work truck if you're looking for something, you know, for a crew. With the 11-foot service body on it, you've got plenty of room for tools, whatever you need as far as the type of commercial vehicle that you need. On the outside, we did put an 11-foot Knapheide service body on it. You've got 4 toolboxes on each side, different configurations. Steel bumper, plated steel bed, light, fold down tailgate, LED lights as far as the rear brake lights. We did put the trailer brake control on it with the 7-pin plug-in. Again, this truck has got the Cummins diesel in it with the Ison transmission. Heavy duty tow package. Brilliant black with the service body matched for the color. Powder coated on the inside with shelves all the way through. Shelf dividers. Plenty of room in this truck. Again, we're here at Sherry Chrysler. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. Got a Ram 4500 automatic with the Cummins turbo diesel, Ison transmission, and we also have the max tow package on this. Stock number on this is 28488T. You want to take a look at this truck and the other commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler. We've got a very nice selection. Give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.